HIVE stock is showing a modest amount of strength within a longer term neutral to bullish trend, up 22.36%. This is Monday, the 6th of October, 2025, regular session. This is also its sixth straight session of gains. Yeah, sixth straight session of gains. Intraday high $5.54. Let's see what's going on. The extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that this trend is going to remain in place pretty much up till Thursday, the 9th of October. No guarantee that that will be the case. Extrapolation will actually begin maybe the day after. And yeah, ultimately going sideways with a bearish slant towards the middle of November of this year. Projections are saying 5.18. It's a down projection. 5.84. 6.26. What's that intraday high again? 5.54. Okay. Price pressure momentums are strongly bullish. Price pressure momentums are trending robustly. No negative derivative here, even though, of course, selling pressure is also going on, but hasn't left any negative figure on the derivatives. Okay. Let's see what's going on the 4-hour chart for Hive stock. Okay, so it's expected to moderate its expansion, but with a bullish slant going all the way towards Thursday the 9th. That's the close of that session, and then after that, we may see a contraction. Projections are saying 4.67. It's a downward projection. Price pressure momentums here, the 10 and 21 period, yeah, they're all a lot more amplified and no negative values. So we can actually have a look at the market grid to see if we have any ambitious projections because 5.54, quite frankly, is really not that ambitious. Well, it seems the stock is not that volatile. It's maybe in this session, not that volatile, it seems. Let's have a look and see what we're going to see using the market grid. Okay, yeah, let's see. This is the 4-hour chart. The market grid has up to 5.8. Okay, still modest. The bottom of the grid is 5.07. The stock is within its five. It's within the resistance and the supports. Let's have a look at the 1-hour chart. Is there any odd? Are there any odds that we're going to see? Nothing. 5.69. Nothing. Not that ambitious. Okay, let's. Yeah, we're not really seeing anything in terms of ambitious projections. We could also have a look at the previous projections. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, 6.51, 6.1. This was as of the 19th of September. Okay, let's see. Given this intraday high that printed here, we might be able to see upper projections. We might be able to see if something more ambitious 5.4, 5.55, yeah, 5.52, 5.59. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Did I apply that price pressure momentum to? I didn't. Okay, well, we okay. Let's get down to its weekly chart. We might be able to see something anything beyond $6, 6.96. Okay, more like what we have already seen, 6.62. Okay, here we have 6.82, 8.37, 9.34 as of early this year. 5.93, 7.07, 7.78 as well of them. Early this year, 8.97, yeah, 9.62. Dates that was in October of 2022. Currently, 6.96 is what we have. Okay, so a lot is going on. The stock is actually trending. Let's hear what's going on.
HIVE Digital Technologies is once again making waves across investor communities as discussions heat up around its dual focus on AI infrastructure and Bitcoin mining. Traders are highlighting the company's unique positioning, combining high efficiency Bitcoin operations with the growing push into data centers designed for AI workloads. This hybrid model is drawing comparisons to both traditional crypto miners and emerging AI infrastructure plays, giving Hive a potentially powerful edge as these two sectors converge. The spotlight intensified after Hive reported mining 267 Bitcoin in September, marking a significant year over year increase. This performance reinforces the company's reputation for strong operational efficiency, particularly as it continues to expand its global footprint and optimize its energy mix with renewable sources. A major talking point within the community is Hive's upcoming milestone, the goal of reaching 25 exahashes per second by Thanksgiving. Many investors see this as a pivotal moment that could signal a breakout in hash power capacity and potential revenue growth. Amid the buzz, bullish traders argue that Hive remains undervalued compared to peers like MARA, RIOT, and CLSK, especially given its diversification into AI driven data center services. Discussions around price targets, valuation metrics, and future catalysts are intensifying, with some speculating that a major re rating could occur as the company hits new efficiency and production records. Overall, sentiment leans bullish, with many calling Hive a sleeper pick in both the crypto and AI infrastructure spaces, and anticipating a strong upside move as momentum builds toward the year's end.
Okay, yeah, that's what's going on. You can see the stock is liquidity is quite high. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You can see the volumes here: 8,000, 6,000. Oh my goodness, it is high. And it's liquid, and both aggressive and passive traders and investors are involved. Yeah, very, very, very liquid. Yeah. Let's see, 5.49, that's what they're looking at. Yeah, some of the prices they're looking at: 5.53, 5.54. Yeah, look at that, 5.63. They're expecting that can happen. 5.68, 5.69. Yeah, 5.78, 5.85, 5. Yeah, a lot of price. Yeah, my goodness, people are expecting a lot to come. A lot. People are hopeful. People are hopeful. People are hopeful. Yeah. We are really hopeful, really, really hopeful, yeah, for something to come out. 6.55. Yeah, yeah, they're really hopeful for something positive to come out. Yeah, higher prices, yeah, we've seen that already. There's also a good chance people might, yeah, lower prices. You see that 5.37, even though just it's modestly, yeah, look at that, 5.29. So it is really, really, I mean, it's liquid. People ambitious. Oh my goodness, look at that, ambitious and less and passive ones. Everybody's involved here. 5.01. Oh my goodness. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Oh, have a look and see what you make of HIVE. And thank you very much for watching this video.